How to access customer support through Concentra's digital platform. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to reach Concentra's customer support online. First thing you have to do is go to your web browser and simply search for Concentra Bank customer support. You can either log into Concentra Online Banking, and on the main dashboard you can look for help and support menu. It can be usually found on the top or the bottom of the page, and clicking this will take you over to Customer Support Center, or you could just directly call them at this number over here. You could also email at clientsupport@eqbank.ca, since Concentra has been acquired by the EQ Bank. Moreover, you could go to contact us on this Concentra. You can find your mortgage support, GIC help, and you'll find a toll-free number here, as well as their operating hours. And if you have it, you can also browse through some FAQs or common topics like account access, transfers, and term deposits. If you don't find your answer, you can look for Contact Us button at the bottom. And if you head over to Contact here, tap on Contact Us. And then from here, you should be able to send them a secure message directly through online banking or account related questions. You could also continue on with a live chat as well as a phone call. And if you are on Concentra's mobile app, tap the menu and scroll down to support to find these numbers. And there you'll find the same options like secure chat, phone calls, and more. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.